I woke up on a secluded island in the Maldives, far out in the Indian Ocean, and I was about to get on a boat and go to another island today. Hello everybody and welcome to another video. I'm here actually on an island in the Maldives, about an hour and a half from the main island of Maldives called Male. And I came in here a couple of days ago on a boat, but I'll be leaving today. And I have been traveling around to a couple of different islands here in the Maldives, which has been really nice. There are a total of 1,200 islands here to explore. So today I'm going to a different island. I'm just about to pack my bag here in this hotel room where I've been staying on this really nice island called Thoddoo. And I was on the beach here in the recent days, and it's so incredible. So really tall palm trees, incredible water, the beach has been incredible, but I didn't meet all that many people here. So I'm hoping on the next island I can meet some more people maybe. The boat is leaving at 1 p.m. So I'm just gonna finish packing my bag and then I'll be walking over to the boat harbor and see where the day takes me. I actually don't know which island I'm going to. When you do some island hopping here in the Maldives, you have to go back to the main island of Male on the boats, and then you can go again from there, but there are not really any boats like in between the islands. So I'll see what happens when I get to Male. So I'm just packing my bag, and I will be saying goodbye to this cat. He's been so friendly and nice. My bag is packed and I'm trying to decide which island I'm gonna go to, but I don't know yet. It's 11:30 and the boat is leaving at 1 or 11:40, so I have an hour to decide which island I will go to. And sometimes you don't get on the boats if you haven't made a reservation for a hotel on the destination island. But for me I've been able to get on the boat anyways. I just told them that I had a reservation even though I didn't have it, because sometimes it's a bit risky if you make a reservation for a hotel and then there ends up being no boat for that day. Sometimes there are no boats to that specific island, and then if you made a reservation and you can't get there, and then you waste one day. Here we go. I'm on my way to the harbor now, and I'm passing by these green areas again. Quite nice. And also I won't forget how nice the beach was here. Incredible. The other day when I was there. So now it's so nice. I have only this bag again. I accumulated a bit of stuff, but I threw it away. And there are actually some really modern hotels here. I just passed by this one, quite modern. Hello, hello. So this is the way now down to the ferry terminal, or it's not really a terminal, but where the boats go from. You get lost so easily on these streets. There's like one intersection, every single street looks the same, and you have super tall trees above you. Look. It's quite cool. It's like a big jungle here on this island. But let's go to the ferry. Oh, this is the speedboat here that will be taking me back to Male. I think it's about an hour and a half almost, the ride, but the boat is so fast. The other boat, the ferry, takes more than 3 hours, and it's like 1/10 of the price. Now we're taking off, and we have 3 huge engines here, 250 horsepower each. Oh. we're about to stop here at the airport. It seems like all the ferries first go to the airport. Right here is where you get off on the flights, and then it goes to Male, and that is the island over there with all the big buildings. We had arrived back at the island of Male for a quick stop, and now I just had to find the next boat to head out again. I have arrived back here to Male, and we have to find a boat here again now to Dhiffushi. It's kind of crowded over here. Here is where most of the boats go from. And we have different numbers of the piers, number 1 to 6 I think. Hello, I want to go to Dhiffushi. You know which boat? Which number of the pier? Which number, you know? No? I have a question. I want to go to Dhiffushi. You know where the boat is going to Dhiffushi?
I don't know actually. Which one? Which one you're looking for?
Dhiffushi.
Dhiffushi, yes, almost somewhere here. You will
Somewhere here. Okay. I want to go to Dhiffushi. Do you know where it's going from? Dhiffushi. The boat. No?
You're going to Dhiffushi as well?
Dhiffushi, yes.
Yeah. There's an actual one that goes there that we're waiting for.
Okay.
But we found another one that's like private.
Uh-huh.
And it might leave very soon. Yeah.
You've been here since the morning trying to go to Dhiffushi.
Yeah.
What is this?
This coconut candy.
Coconut candy?
Yeah, this side.
Is it good?
Yeah, very good.
It looks like sausage.
Yeah, look like cigarette.
It's gonna.
Looks like
Yeah, it looks like vegan sausage.
This 100% natural.
Ah. Ah.
Nice.
Very good.
This side?
Just need to get some cash real quick. It's quite crowded here also. Wow, it's a big tuna. Big tuna. Wow. Hello, my friend. Do you know where you can find the toilet? Yeah. Hello, my friend. How much does the toilet cost? 5. Okay, thank you.
You want to buy?
Yes, I want to buy chips. I want one. 35. Okay, I'll take the
How many?
blue. So I bought some chips. That's snacks, and then I will be eating some lunch when I get to Dhiffushi. Okay, so in Rufia, how much do I need to pay?
540.
Okay. Here we go again. We were going again and passed by several islands on the way to the island of Dhiffushi. Outside of Male, you have a big cluster of islands that almost form a big circle. I had arrived to the island of Dhiffushi. It's about 1 kilometer long and 200 meters wide, or 0.6 miles long and 220 yards wide. So I have arrived now to the next island. It took, I think, 45 minutes or so. And oh, the sun, it's so nice and hot here. Gotta find a hotel and then see what we will be doing. I had saved the name of one hotel by the beach that I wanted to go and check out. Hello. I have arrived here now to the Crown Beach Villa, I think it's called. Right on the beach. Hopefully I get my room right there. And yeah, incredible. I'm gonna start my drone now. I ended up booking 3 nights here because I don't want to move tomorrow. I originally only booked 1 night, but I decided I might as well stay. The beach is right down here, but I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can kind of see the beach from here. So it came out to $60 per night, but that's quite good, I think, right on the beach in the Maldives. I was gonna go snorkeling, but the sun already went down. It's getting dark, so we're gonna have to wait until tomorrow instead. Yeah, it's really nice here. I couldn't find any supermarkets. I walked around for 20 minutes, so I came back here to have my dinner instead at the Crown Beach Hotel. I got the spaghetti bolognese. Oh, they actually told me that the dinner was included, so you have breakfast and dinner included. So it's not too bad to pay $60 right on the beach in the Maldives. Can you believe that? I would think that it's much more expensive. I don't think you can stay right on the beach and get breakfast and dinner in many other places in the world. I've been to many countries, and even in Mexico I could never stay right on the beach for $60 per night. So yeah, Maldives is really good, really incredible. This is the end of the video, my friends, so please, if you like it, leave it a thumbs up, and post a comment maybe, let me know what you think, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In the next video we will be doing something really exciting, so don't miss that. But see you next time.